Hello, welcome. Today we are doing a release show a little differently. I am Courtney. I am Senior Solutions Engineer. With me is Christine, who is our technical writer. And we're going to go through our release notes that Christine was lovely enough to write, and then show you some of the new features that we are releasing this month for January. So Christine?
Thanks, Courtney. This is so much fun. I don't normally get to do the release show, and so this is a treat for me. I also maybe most people watching won't be don't spend as much time with the docs as I do. I don't expect anybody spends as much time with the docs as I do. But anyways, that's my baby, and I get to and now I actually get to talk about it. So our January release is January 2026 release is a little smaller than some of the other releases we've had leading up to it, and it's certainly smaller than some of the ones that we have coming up this winter and this spring. We've got lots of exciting features that will be coming out, but we do have a couple of things that are definitely worthwhile talking about. So one of them is a new right-click tools. New right-click tool is what I should say. So over the past few months, we've been releasing Windows Autopilot tools, and this month we've kind of added the key piece. You can now register devices in Windows Autopilot. So now you've got sort of a whole initial set. So you can register devices, you can set a group tag for devices, and you can remove devices. And we invite you to tell us what you'd like us to build next, right? We're always looking for feedback about what works for you and what you want to see next to help you do your job, right? So, Courtney, do you want to demo this new feature?
I'd love to show you guys. So I'll start off here in Intune. So we have a recast symbol to do actions on multiple devices. But for today, I'm going to pick on my Entra joined Intune only device. So this Entra device here. So it is completely cloud. And we also give the recast symbol in Intune here. I can take a bunch of different types of right-click tool actions, including some of the newer Intune Entra type actions, grabbing Entra ID security groups. Then we have our autopilots down below here. So I can remove, I can register. There's also the set autopilot group tags. So for today, since for January release, we did the register device. So I'll click on that. So we'll go ahead and register. Go up in here. And it can take a little while depending on the speed of Intune sometimes. But that device will slowly trickle in here once it syncs fully. Hopefully it'll be here soon. But it does take a couple minutes. So we can check back on that later. What is our next feature we have, Christine?
All right. So we have a brand new feature in Privileged Access. This used to be Privilege Manager, and we haven't had anything to talk about with Privileged Access for a while, but we finally do. So now you've got the option to limit self-service privileges to just a user's primary devices, those devices that have been designated as their primary devices. And this should make it easier to track admin privilege usage. You can find the steps for how to set that up and how to figure out what devices are a user's primary devices on our help in our help center. That's docs.recastsoftware.com, and pretty simple, hopefully, to use. Courtney, why don't you show everybody how easy it is to use?
Yeah, we can. So I'll come over here to our Recast management server, and that is kind of the back end for all our right-click tool suite. So Privilege Manager or Privilege Access has its own section here. And down in our self-service rules, this is where you get to tell who or what gets, or who are in users or groups get to be able to self-service or be able to elevate So you can add a new rule here that allows, in this case, you can choose everyone, or if you want to target specific users or groups, you can. And then you can change here is our user's primary device. So if you are any part on-prem, even hybrid, it will use your Active Directory attribute. If you are an Entra only, it will use Entra primary device. Then you just activate the rule and hit save, and then it will target everyone on their own primary device. So they won't be able to move around and just be able to elevate anywhere. It will only be on their primary device.
Cool. And that's definitely something that was in our an idea from our ideas portal that we decided to prioritize and to develop, and now we're delivering.
Mm-hmm. Thanks, Christine.
Thank you.
That is what we have for new features for this month, but we do also have some bug releases, some minor bugs that got fixed in our release notes. So if you're looking for anything in particular, check those out. Christina did an excellent job writing those all up.
Thanks. No one else wanted to do it.
That's fair. It definitely wasn't me because, back when I started, me and Marty used to maintain the doc site, and it was a different service that we used in the back end, and it was painful to say the least. There was a small stretch of time in there when the search was broken. It couldn't index things, and I didn't find anything.
So, you know what? We're still improving things with search. We actually just did a whole round of making some changes in the settings on the back end in order to hopefully make it a whole lot easier for the search to work properly and to return the results that you would expect would come up when you put in a particular term. So something, it's always progress over perfection, but it's something we continue to work on to make life easier for the people who come and read the docs.
Awesome. That is fantastic. It will make life so much easier. Because when those search bars go down, it is a rough time sometimes navigating and finding what you're looking for. Yeah, thanks, Christine.
Thank you.
Everyone, don't forget to join our February release. We'll have a release show for our February, which will have a ton of great tools that are expected to come out that month.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Yeah, a number of the things that we worked on for during our innovation event, those will be starting to come out in force in February, and that's very exciting for all of us.
Sounds great. Everyone have a wonderful day.